When I first met you back in 2011, would you think it is fair to say that you were working very, very hard, but never really moving forward financially? Is that a fair comment?
Yes, definitely.
So, how did you feel back at that time in 2011?
I just felt that I had a good foundation in my business and I didn't have a grip on it, and I felt that when I met Jim sort of turned it around for me and gave me a great belief and gave me lots of really good systems to run my business with. And as time has gone on, it's been invaluable, and I felt as though I personally, as a businessman, learned an awful lot from Jim. Well, the difference in me as a person is tremendous. It's that working relationship that Jim and I have had together. It's given me such more belief in me as a person, me as a businessman. Just to know that Jim's always a phone call away, that I find him more of a friend as well, that Jim believes in me, and to have that behind you is just, it's fantastic. Experience in the past is just, it's a totally different experience. I think of it as it's been a big learning curve for me as a businessman, and to have Jim there, we're like a team now.
Hi Derek, I appreciate you taking some time to talk to us this afternoon. It's now been several years that you've been a client with us, and I thought I would take this opportunity to ask you how you found our service, really in terms of the level of communication with us, and also in terms of the value of the business advice.
Well, it's been a step change for us to go from a normal accountancy firm to the kind of service we get from Logic Accountancy. It's entirely different. Normally we would talk to our accountant once a year. We'd have a historical review on what had happened in the course of the year. But now we have contact as and when we need to through the year for advice on how to handle issues, how to, obviously how to install and run a new software, but prior to that it was exactly the same. We had a level of contact that we weren't used to before, so it's been really good, really, really good.
Delighted to hear that. So, if someone was out there thinking of coming over to ourselves, what would be your advice to them?
I would be puzzled why they wouldn't do it. We have nothing bad to say at all. It's been a step change, like I say, cheaper, which was nice initially, but now we have an added value to the service that we didn't have before. We always really looked at accountancy as just something we had to suffer through, whereas now we have real advice that helps us run the business, so it's a totally different game.
That's fantastic, Derek. Great to know that you feel we're doing a good job.
Well, first of all, when I met yourself, you put me on to using Xero accounts, which is great for myself and you. The fact that it's all cloud-based, so I can go home on any computer or device and see my accounts, vice versa for yourself. And I feel the service that I have with yourself, if I was stuck with any business advice or accountancy problems, I can give you a phone or email and you'll be able to help me out with that.
No, that's absolutely great to know that you feel you're getting real benefit from the service we're giving you, and as you've touched on it there, I would 100% endorse what you've said. Xero is actually the cornerstone. It facilitates you and I working closely together, which is the name of the game, and I'm certainly looking forward to doing that in the months ahead with you, in the years ahead as well, Rick, as you build the business.